Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to change pin lock in our vivo phone guys. You want to change your pin, so as you can change. And guys, now let's see how to change pin lock in our vivo phone. So without waste time, open your phone setting and guys scroll it and guys click on this security setting and guys click on this screen lock and guys enter your pin which you have now and guys again click on pin and guys new pin guys. We will take this 2580, next 2580, confirm and guys come back. So as now you can see 1236 wrong pin, 2580 right way. So I hope friends you have understood how to change pin password in our vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.